This is the Thisworx car vacuum cleaner, and it works awesomely. And you also get some accessories too. You get this long cord, perfect for hard to reach spots. You also get this slim tip for putting it in crevices. You also get this dust head, which is perfect for the air vents as well as the seat cushions too. And this is great for removing dust particles as well as sand, even pet dander too. And it has a super long 16-foot cord, perfect to clean your car bumper to bumper. They also provide another HEPA filter as well, which is perfect. They also provide this brush so you can clean the filter after each use. And they even give you this air freshener too. So let me show you how it works. So how you use it is first you plug it into your 12-volt cigarette lighter, and you also turn your car on. And to use it, all you have to do is push on this button. When you're done using it, you just turn the button off. Now, if you want to open up the unit to take out all the dust, all you have to do is clip this and open it up, and then you can pull out this dust filter. And sometimes you just have to use a little bit of elbow grease, and then you can just dump it all out. If your HEPA filter gets really dirty, you can use this to dust off the extra debris, or you can even put it under running water. And you're good to go. Then you just put this back in, just like that. And then you put it back in, simple as that. Now, let me take it outside so you can see it in action. This is really powerful and has really good suction. And they also give you this bag too. I was sent this from Thisworx to evaluate, and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.